raw carrots and we'll be grating it on the big size. This one is very easy, handy machine, and I love it. I can do so many salads with this one. One cup of corn, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half teaspoon Himalayan salt, and 8 teaspoons pepper. Now we'll mix it and it's ready to serve. As you can see, very easy salad, and you can add chickpeas here if you want. You can add cilantro here if you want, green onions. I just wanted it like this, just with corn. It's quick, it's easy, and it's really tasty. And it'll be a sweet flavor from the vinegar and corn. I'm gonna try a little bit.
Delicious.
Oh, that's amazing. If you're having guests, you can eat it the day before, and it will sit in the refrigerator and will absorb all the flavor. It's gonna be even tastier and full of flavor. So that's the dish that you can make a day before. I love to make salads that you can hold in a refrigerator night before, because it's easy. The guests coming and salads are ready, and you need just to make a hot meal.